So now we'd like to showcase the intelligent self-cleaning part of the iCombi Pro. We've been cooking all day, but we'd still like to continue cooking, so we need a clean in between.
So to get started with cleaning on the iCombi Pro, I simply select my iCareSystem icon. Straight away you can see I'm prompted with the most ideal cleaning process. In this case, just a light clean. Okay? But today, as Joseph mentioned, we want to continue on cooking later throughout the day, so I just want a really fast clean. So we can use our ultra fast cleaning cycle here, where we'll have the cabinet clean in only 15 minutes. It's prompting me straight away to add our cleaning tablets. It lets me know precisely how much I need of each cleaning tablet also.
Speaking of the cleaning tablets, we have a couple that we have for the iCombi Pro. We have our active green tab, which Peter is loading into the base of the cabinet, and that's going to clean the inside of the cooking cabinet. We also have our Care tab, which is going to make sure that we descale the steam generator so it's running at peak efficiency so that we can reduce the need for heavy water filtration and reverse osmosis.
So there we have it. I've loaded the tablets, the cleaning process has started. I can now continue on with my work and let the cleaning happen automatically. So here you can see the outstanding results that we can achieve in only 15 minutes. So there we have it. The iCombi Pro has now signaled that our cleaning is complete and we're ready to begin cooking again. Our cleaning results are easy to see, that the unit looks like it's completely new after every cleaning cycle.